Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft error code drowned. And it says failed to log in. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, if you have any VPN or proxy enabled, make sure that you turn it off. Okay. Now, the second one here is just by going to your search bar and type in date and time. Okay, click on it. And here, make sure that you set the time zone automatically and set time automatically as well. Okay. Now, once that's done, click on sync now, wait for the process to finish. And once done, close this one and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type in CMD. Click on run as administrator. Okay. Once this one pops up, just type in ipconfig /renew. Okay. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Okay. Hit on enter. Once that's done, just type in netsh /winsock reset. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and type in exit, close the command prompt and restart your computer, and it should work now. Now if that will work, go ahead over to your search bar once more and type in Minecraft launcher. Once you have it located, go ahead and go to the right panel and click on app settings. Okay. Wait for it. Once done, make sure to terminate it first, and after that, click on repair. Then click on reset. Reset. Once done again, restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.